The JETFLEX burner represents the latest evolution in rotary kiln burner technology. Available in a standard or a plus model, the JETFLEX burner offers several revolutionary features. The axial jet air nozzles form rectangular-shaped high-speed jets. It enables efficient mixing of hot secondary air to the flame, ensuring fast ignition and stable flame formation. The JETFLEX standard burner is the optimal solution for conventional fuels and high and medium-grade alternative fuels. It has no moving parts to maintain, saving operational costs and increasing availability. The combined effectiveness of the JETFLEX burner's air nozzles and swirler has made it possible to eliminate the traditional solid fuel annular channel. In the JETFLEX burner, solid fuels are injected through a straight, uninterrupted pipe design. This reduces maintenance and unplanned kiln stops. The common fuel channel can handle all solid fuels. This means less cold air is injected to the kiln, improving the heat economy. Depending on fuel characteristics and the dosing system, the JETFLEX burner can be configured with separate solid fuel pipes. The JETFLEX Plus burner enables maximum fuel flexibility by superior combustion of lower-grade fuels. It features fully rotatable jet air nozzles. The rotatable jet air nozzles enable the flame to be shaped exactly as required by the fuel and process. The nozzles can also be positioned in a fuel lift configuration, which strongly increases fuel retention time and minimizes fuel dropping out of the flame. The JETFLEX burner's simplified design includes a detachable support beam and reduced overall length, making it fast and cost-effective to deliver and install. The revolutionary JETFLEX burner meets industry requirements for reliability, energy efficiency, fuel flexibility, and low emissions.